Alright, that brings us to the aircraft carrier level. You come in on a parachute, and unfortunately I have to snipe.
This is what we do for a living.
At least I got one there.
Yeah, you guys should touch down near the rear of the carrier.
Two of them.
Like there's less activity
Not
there.
too bad.
Over out.
So you're just gonna fly to the back of the carrier,
Let's go back
and
to back
then
now.
as soon as you land, you go back to back.
You're fucking dead. Look who it is.
Learn to shoot, fuckos! I ain't carrying your corpses back to Dalton.
Look, we ain't any happier to be doing this with you than you are to be doing it with us. So let's just stay out of each other's hair and get this thing done.
No problem, fucko.
Fucko? Who says that?
Alright, and then as soon as that cutscene ends, you want to make sure you run back, because if you don't, if you try to run forward, they'll get behind you and waste you. And there's going to be a lot of guys, so just retreat and take your time moving up.
You got to die with honor! Fuck! Ain't happy, man! I'm hit! Shit, Salem, help!